How to recover hacked Facebook account without email and phone number. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover hacked Facebook account without email or phone number. After you open now your phone, go and open your browser. After you open your browser like this now, go ahead and tap on the search. So go to the search. After you open like search like this now, go ahead and type in m.facebook. Here is it now, m.facebook.com/hacked, this one. So from this option, as you can see now here, it says if you believe your account has been hacked, has been compromised by another person or a virus, please click the my account is compromised button. This one below will help you log back into your account so that you can regain control. So tap on this my account was compromised. So in this option now, go ahead and type in the mobile number or email address that they changed. Type in just the mobile number, most likely the mobile number used to recover the account. So type in the mobile number like this. So after I type in the mobile number like this now, as you can see now, here it is now. So in this option now, it will give you different account. As you can see here, it says choose your account. Remember, hackers sometimes change name and profile picture. So I'll use this one. After I choose the account, as you can see now in this option now, tap on this recover button, recover account. So as you can see now here, it says, as you can see, so in this option, as you can see now here, it says try another device to continue. This must be a device that you have used to log into this account before. Before you recover your Facebook account, make sure you are using the device that you log into your Facebook account before. You cannot use a new device to recover your Facebook account. If you can't find the device that you like, if you are using a new device, but if you are using your old device, your old mobile phone, or your old mobile phone, just if you tap on the recover button, it will give you access to recover the account. Because now I'm using a new mobile phone, that's why it will not allow me to recover the account. So if you can't find your old mobile phone to recover your Facebook account, just tap on this option, can't, try another device, this one. So by tapping on this option now, Facebook will give you possible method to recover your hacked Facebook account without email or phone number. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below.